Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 200 Smart, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with the fastest way. We have to open the dialer and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. So let's tap on OK. And now another way through the settings. Let's open them. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down again to localize the status. And right here we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.